Hello everyone, my name is Maria Mabu and this is my submission of the individual assignment 2, which was required for me to make a note-taking app using Flutter and Firebase for the database and authentication. So without wasting my time, we are going to get into the app. And before we get into it, let me take you through the fewer screens we have on the app. So we have the flash screen, which will just appear immediately after you've launched the app, and from there it takes you to the login screen where you are supposed to put your email and password in order to log in. And if you don't have email and password, that is when you don't have an account, you are supposed to create one using the sign up button. And the sign up button, you create your account, and when you log in it takes you to the note screen, which is supposed to be your home screen, where you can add your notes, and you can update it, you can delete it, you can make corrections. So without wasting my time, we're taking you through this amazing app for you to see how it actually functions. Let's get in. Okay, so this is the Flutter app launching there. Okay, so this is the flash screen as I was talking about. You see, it did not last, and then it just switched to the login screen. And this login screen, we have the email and we have the password. Those are the information you are supposed to put in order to log in. So I have an account already, so I'll try to log in. But before that, there are some error handlings here. If I put an email that is not in the right format, it's going to throw an error to me, and I'll try that before I actually log in. So let's assume I just write something like this. Okay, then the password, let me just put something like awkward, not in the right format. Then I try logging in. Okay, so you can see it there. The email address is badly formatted, and so that is it. So right now, try to put in my right login details in order to log in. And this is mariam at gmail.com. And for the password is supposed to contain at least six characters, and then I'm logging in. Okay, here we go. I already took some two notes here, but for demonstration sake I'll try to add another note for us to see. So I'll click on the plus button, and then I'll have to put the title of my note. Let me just say assignment 2. Okay, so I will not write anything in the description, and I'll try to save. It will prompt me to write something. So let me click on the save button, and you can see there, please enter description of note. So I'll just simply have to go in there and write something. Then now I'll try to save it, and it's saved. Now that it's saved, I can try to update it. So I'll click on it, and when I click on it, you can see the update note button there. So let me just try to add something. Let's say I'm done, and you can see it being updated there. This is my submission, and I'm done. So that is it. So I'll try to log out using the logout button here, and then I'll try to sign in and create an account too. Okay, so I'm signing out now. So now I'm going to sign up to create an account. So the sign up page, I'm supposed to include my name, or let me use my friend's name. Okay, then for email, let me use um, at gmail.com. Then the password, let me just put um, A1, B2, and C3. Then I'll add 1, 2, 3. Okay, something like that. Yeah. Okay. So she signed up now, and because she just signed up, like her note is empty. She can start by adding notes, and it's just the same as the login. And then like when you log in, the same way you take note is the same thing. So she's just in her login page, like, because she just signed up. So that is it. Okay, let me just add the note. I submitted my assignment. Okay, then I save it. Then that is it over there. She can update, she can do anything she wants to do. So that is basically it. And then I'll log out. I'm logging out. Okay, then it takes me to the login screen. So basically that is it. And now I'll be moving to the back end where you can see the database where all these informations are being installed. So let's get into that. So this is the Firebase as you can see here, and this is where all the informations are being stored. So I currently added my friend, I signed her in. So this is the information that this is her name, Alberta Logozaga. This was the email. So I'll try deleting some notes from my app, and then we can see that will also be deleted on the database as well. So let's look at that. Let me delete my assignment one note over here, and this is the corresponding database. And let's see. Okay, so is deleting here, and we can see that it has been deleted on the database as well. So basically that is it. I'll be updating another node to for us to check the corresponding database to how it will reflect. Okay, so this is the AI node. Let me try to update it. So let me change the title from AI to technology. Let me abbreviate it tech. Then I'm going to update. So you can see it here from AI, it have changed to tech. So sharp. So that is how the code works in database. So once you make any change in your app, it will also reflect in the database. That is basically what happens. Okay, so from there we go to the authentication. So these are all the people that already have an account and their details are here. So if I go to the app and then I try to input a different email password in order to log in, it will prompt me that is incorrect and I'll demonstrate that to you. So that's the authentication. Let me demonstrate that. So here, let me try putting an email, let's say abu@gmail.com, at gmail.com. Then the password, let me say 345678. Okay, now let me try to log in. Well, we can see the message, the error message, and the email is not located on our database, and that is the authentication for you. So basically, that is the whole idea of the app. And yeah, thank you.